Whoops. What did I click? This thing was making me sneeze. Did not go anywhere. I thought I felt a spit fall out of my mouth. Jesus. I'm not. Oh well. What? Bam! Bam! Such fire socks from the Flatbush Zombies in my favorite color, blue. Blue. And today we got one of my favorite things ever. I didn't want to spend the money on this thing. It was $140 USD. It came to like $250 Canadian. Insanely expensive. But I had to get it because the story behind this piece is the other part of this, the other piece for this set. That's what I'm trying to say. The first piece I got was the first video ever posted on my channel. Not really the first video I ever made. The first video I made official, where I officially was going to dedicate myself to the channel. And it was even like, at the beginning of the video, I had a whole introduction about the iceberg, and it was going to be Iceberg Productions. My mic was terrible. You could barely hear it. It was all mumbly, terrible quality, so I just cut that whole section out. You can go check out that, my very first video. I'll make sure to put it in the description too, and I'll probably wear it for the video maybe to try out the full outfit, because that's why I got this piece, because I needed both of them, and I knew it was amazing quality, and yeah, I just had to have it. I had to get the full set. Maya, come see what we got. Come see what we got in the video. What do we got? Come see. Super amazing quality stuff. And the other piece I'm so in love with, it's my favorite sweater of all time, the Terps Confetti sweater. So you probably have an idea of what we're getting into today. The Terps, talking Terps, TERP FETTI Sweatpants. So yeah, this is so exciting for me. And I'm at a loss for words. It's a beautiful day for a Terp Tuesday drop. Let's get into it. It was a surprise drop too. It was like I randomly checked Instagram on a Saturday, and it was a Sunday drop, and they normally drop on Thursdays at 420. It was random, and they dropped these amazing other sweaters with them, but they were way too expensive for my price range. And hey, by the feeling of it, I didn't think they put it in a collectible bag, but I get another collectible bag, and it looks like this bag is the same. So maybe I'll actually use this bag. It looks bigger though. But it looks the same. It looks like the same design as the other collectible bag that came with the other TERP FETTI sweater. Maybe some slight detail differences. I'm not too sure. But yeah, the plant shall inherit the earth. Such an amazing packaging. Talking Terps Love Systems, all rights reserved since 2019. That's when they created this whole thing. But Juice and like Hope Lord, the main two of the main three of the company, have been on Terps forever. Like that's been their thing ever since like Flatbush Zombies. Their whole crew's been together, all that stuff. This package is even kind of like Fetti, so that means this must be like recycled packaging as well. So yeah, I think this is like slightly different, but the same design, just with like some tweaks. I can't even talk, I'm so excited. Like I think this is new on it. I love the Talking Terps design. They're all so amazing, so perfect. Love it. It's such a vibe. So let's unbox this. Ah! So excited. Yeah, like I was saying, I'll probably just use this bag to actually keep the item in it. Like maybe in the drawer or something. So then it's just like pristine. And Maya's hair doesn't get all over it. Let's bring Terp Crawford down here first to witness this event, because this is a moment for the record books. Maya's even watching over there, half asleep. Let's open this up. Yeah, get a collectible card. And this one is just like a picture of the pants with some overlay on it, I think. Pretty interesting. 2023 original Talking Terps garment item, TERP FETTI pant V1. So they're probably planning to make more pants, but you know, I had to get it to match the sweater. I had to get the full outfit. All rights reserved 2023, buckle your brain, number 143. That'd be cool to one day get like a number 1 or something. That'd be pretty cool. But, you know, I'll add this to my collection. I gotta find a place to put all these, like a place to hang them up. Maybe I'll just get a whole binder for my collectible cards. But no postcard on this order. Ooh, but here is the item. You know, you kind of expect, like, you just want everything. You're paying so much, so you're like, come on, give me more and more. But I'm glad they put this kind of stuff in because that's what matters, you know? That's what makes it worth paying this kind of insane price. Right away, I spot that Talking Terps beautiful embroidery right there. I wish they put a Talking Terps logo the same as the sweater, but I guess it's good not to have like full match, to have like at least the logos, at least have the design different, I guess. You know, you can't just have the full outfit being matching. And then interesting waistband. It looks kind of like how I was talking with the Flatbush Zombie one, how it's like thick, but maybe that's just for comfort. Not like thick, but like width, you know, like it's like hot, tall. Then that confetti, medium. Ooh, let's open it up. And these are so heavy duty. And this confetti is so fire. And they're pre-shrunk. Ooh, see, that's the logo I was talking about. So it does have that exact logo, but embroidered on this one. Maybe they heard me talking about it with the sweater, how I was like, I didn't like the print. So now they did embroideries. You gotta love that detail. Such high quality. I thought there'd be like Sherpa lining it. There is on the inside though, with a new tag, which is dope. Talking Terps in the mountains with the smiley suns. Kind of a different vibe though. This is kind of like more like cartoon-esque, like superhero vibe. Warm, happy feeling. Talking Terps International Love System. So that's kind of cool. Changing up the vibes a little bit. Getting some different designs going. Got the material tag in here. I'm pretty sure it's organic. Oh, it's just plain cotton. Made in Canada. So you know, out here in Canada, that's where all the good stuff's made. Oh, it smells so fresh and nice. And then on the front of the leg, yeah, you got that beautiful. I thought this patch was bigger, but you got that beautiful patch, which is what the picture is of on the reflective card. And I could write my name on there in like permanent, Matty Ice, you know? So if it ever gets lost, so people know whose it is, you know what I'm saying? So these are so dope. So dope. Maybe not, definitely not worth the price tag, but I had to get them. I wasn't planning on getting any cops at all this month. But the thing is, if I wouldn't have got these, there's a bunch of stuff I still would have wanted. Then it's got like a cuffed ankle, leg part. Let's try them on. Let's just jump right into it. You can see Maya is passed right out over there. She's like, I don't know why she's so tired. Maybe the sun, is it the sun, Maya? Is the sun warming you out? It's too hot for you out here, bro. Too hot for you out here, boy. Okay, let's try them on. Are you excited as me, Maya? Are you as excited as me? I didn't do a preview even. Oh well. Oh, freaking well, man. Come on. Tommy. Classic white. Ooh. Yep, they are roomy, so that's beautiful. Oh yeah, these are super roomy. They fit. These are like just like the Cause sweatpants, but not as heavy, and not as like thick of a waistband. It's more like, I don't know why people like length. I like thin and thick. Like I would want it to be like this. I want my waistband to be like that, not as like tall as this. I guess so you can low ride or something. I don't even know the point of it. It's just annoying because then it just like, see how it wrinkles up and it's just like in the way when, especially when you're like bending over, it folds all up. So that's kind of annoying. I see some loose threads around. Nothing crazy. Too bad I wasn't Sherpa lined pockets as well. That would have tipped like, just like little details, you know, just to add it, to make it perfect. Especially if you're paying this kind of price for it. You want to be getting the best possible quality. I love them still though, like no matter what. But like I was saying, they're basically just like the Cause pants. Pretty much like the Cause pants are 200 Canadian. These came to like 230. Like conversion's just messed up. So they're like similar price range, but still definitely overpriced. Kind of disappointing. Should I do the full outfit right now, Maya? You can't see. Okay. I'll go grab the sweater and put it on. It's hot though. Okay, Google. What's the temperature? You know I'm a real Canadian boy when 3 degrees is hot. No, it's because people always blast the heat. And like this sun coming into the building. Ooh, see like the large was such a tight fitting. And there's no purple to match. I forgot this was purple. That's what I was thinking. I wish that this was purple. That would have been fire. But you know, it's good to have like some mismatch. You can't just have a full birthday cake outfit without some mismatch. But that's so dope. Where are you gonna find a full like birthday cake sweatsuit? And it's not like it's like white. It's still like it's white, but it's different. You know? So fire. So happy with this. What do you think, Maya? What's your rating on the drip scale, on the Matty Ice scale? Maya, what's the ice rating? And the design on the sweater, I will never like forget. Like, I will never stop loving how amazing it is. Like, I love the design on this sweater, bro. It's so fire. I wish they added something like that on these at least. I don't know what you would do. Like, something on the butt? No, like, they should have did something like, I guess they put the patch on the leg. I don't know, man. I ask for too much, I guess. But I spend too much. Spend too much, you know? Ask for too much. It does kind of work because we have like the thick waistband on the sweater and then on the pants too. So I guess it does kind of match. Let's go! What do you guys think about the outfit? Comment below if you guys like it. I love it. I don't really care what you think. But let me know. I just love to know what other people got going on in their minds, because everybody's brains are different. So open your mind and enjoy your life. Enjoy this beautiful day, Terp Tuesday. And yeah, talk some terps, do your thing, live your life, make your own world. That's what we're living, and it's all about your own reality. Let's go. Warm, happy feeling. I'm warm, cozy. I need to go change, and let's go. Turn out, Maya. Wake up. It's a nice day. Let's go. I'll do a quick preview as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe the video. And yeah, stay tuned for more content coming to you soon. Ooh, a local Matthew dealer stealing you the terps.